Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create an account on LinkedIn. So head over to your respective app store. On the search bar, type in LinkedIn and make sure to install the app. After completely installing the application, click on the open button so that we can create an account. So now what you have to do is to create an account, you want to click on join now at the bottom. Add in a first name and a last name. Click on the continue button and give your email address and click on the continue button once again. Now you have to go ahead and set a password. Click on the continue button once again. And when you have actually done this, click on the continue button. And after which you've successfully created your account, or let's say you've actually begun with the creation of your account. So you have to make sure to start a puzzle. In order to complete this, you have to click on start a puzzle and then you have to pick an image that is correct up or right. So this seems to be the one. So the verification has been completed. Moving on, you have to make sure to go ahead and click on the continue button, after which you need to go ahead and read the terms and conditions, all that. So basically, once you're done with that procedure, you need to go ahead and start filling up your profile, all sort of things. So follow on the on-screen prompt, and that is how you'll be able to create an account on LinkedIn. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.